An ancient book integration project is underway in East China's Shandong province to discover ancient Chinese literature overseas and provide more literary support for Chinese cultural construction and international cultural exchanges. The global integration of ancient Chinese books project, spanning a decade, was launched by Shandong University in 2017.
合璧工程主要的内活就是把我们的古籍在全世界收藏的情况摸清楚，然后把藏在境外的古籍和我们大陆上的古籍进行比对，找出其中我们大陆上没有的，想办法把它复制回来。编目就是为境外的每一部汉籍呢，编一个户口。
Shan added that at present, 157 teams, including 425 people around the world, are participating in the cataloging work. So far, they have contacted about 2,000 overseas libraries and signed cooperation agreements or reached cooperative intentions with over 400 of them. The team has found more than 1,900 ancient books overseas, which are missing in the Chinese mainland, and reproduced 1,600 of them. Some of the replicated Chinese classics will be selected and published.
那么林花编主要就是从这个测试的品种和这个测试的版本这两个方面来考虑它的这个整理的价值、学术价值、文献价值。按照计划是整理200项，